So today I'll be showing you how to set up a fingerprint on your OnePlus 15. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. So go to settings, under settings, scroll down to security and privacy, tap on that, and then go to device unlock, tap on that. Now before you can set up a fingerprint, you need to have set up at least one of these screen lock modes, either a numeric 4-digit PIN or a password or a pattern. You have to have set up one of these up first. And then it's going to allow you to go into the face and fingerprint unlock settings, from where you can tap on fingerprint, read the terms for the fingerprint, and then agree, enter your current password, PIN or pattern, and then now it's going to allow you to add your fingerprint. So tap on fingerprint. This is a fingerprint sensor. So basically choose the finger you want. I'm going to use my index finger, and you want to place your finger there. And then just move your finger without lifting the finger, just move, and it's going to capture as much data as possible. And then now you can tap on done. And then it's saying it is recommended that you also enroll your face and use face unlock. I'm going to cancel that for now and just use the one fingerprint. Now, of course, if you want to, you can add another fingerprint, either one of your other fingers or someone else who uses this phone. But for me, I just need one fingerprint, and that's it. So from now on, whenever I want to unlock my phone, I could choose to use either the password, or if I don't want to use the password, I can just put my finger here and that's going to unlock. And it's a pretty fast fingerprint sensor. Thanks for watching and good luck.